Fahren LED headlight bulbs, 60W Lumens super bright LED headlights. Top automotive grade LED chips with 60W, 10,000 LM per pair, 6500K cool white. Super focused beam pattern design provides wider and farther lighting range, which is 3 times brighter than your original halogen bulb. Over 5,000 hours lifespan, whole aviation aluminum body, unique hollow carved heat sink design, and 2,000 RPM turbo cool fan provides super cooling ability, which ensures a longer lifespan up to 5,000 hours. 10 minutes easy installation, almost 1:1 mini design, same as halogen, perfectly fit into your housing and factory sockets without any modification, just plug and play. Can bus ready for 98% vehicles. Our bulbs work with 98% of vehicles' computer system without error, while some sensitive models of Ford, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Volvo, Lexus, Chrysler, Mini and etc. may require additional CAN bus decoder to be installed. Note the filter system may not be 100% accurate or up to date. Please check your owner's manual.